In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your canvas size in Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation, or a custom graphic. Knowing how to adjust your canvas size can be incredibly useful. This guide will walk you step by step through the process of resizing your canvas using Canva Pro. To start, make sure you're using Canva Pro, as resizing your canvas is one of its exclusive features. Once you've confirmed you have access, go ahead and open your design project in Canva. When your project is open, direct your attention to the top of the design interface to locate the Resize button. Clicking on this button will reveal several resizing options. A great aspect of Canva is how it suggests dimensions for different formats right there in the options. This can be extremely handy, especially if you're unsure about the size you need, or perhaps you're working across multiple formats, such as designing a social media post that requires specific dimensions. If you happen to spot a suggested size that fits your needs, simply select it. Canva will then automatically adjust your design to those dimensions, and you can preview how it looks. However, if you need a specific dimension that isn't available among the suggested options, that's no problem. Canva offers a user-friendly feature where you can input custom dimensions. Look for the custom size option, typically located under the preset options. By clicking on it, you'll be able to manually enter your desired width and height. This feature is particularly useful for projects that require precise measurements, such as banners or printables. When you're entering your custom size, remember that you can switch between units like pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. This flexibility is particularly handy depending on whether you're designing for digital or print projects. To avoid any unwanted stretching or alterations in your design, make sure to maintain the aspect ratio, especially with images and text. After inputting the new dimensions, take a moment to adjust any elements that might have shifted to ensure they appear exactly as you envisioned. Once you've set your desired dimensions perfectly, click the Copy and Resize button. This action will generate a new version of your design with the new size you've specified. It's always a good idea to meticulously review your resized design to confirm all elements are positioned correctly. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure everything looks polished and professional. By following these simple steps, you ensure your design is tailored to the exact specifications you need without any hassle. Knowing how to tweak canvas sizes effectively means you'll always deliver polished, professional quality designs. Spend some time exploring these options to enhance your design work in Canva. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.